There we go. Heck yeah. Felt that one in the ankle? Okay.
No. Why do you think my body could do that? Yeah, that was it.
Where are you coming from?
From the Bahamas.
From the Bahamas. Now you play pro ball, right? Overseas?
Europe.
In Europe? Dang, where at?
Portugal.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. No, that is awesome. Yeah, I was looking right when I looked up. I'm like, looking, whatnot. I'm like, wait. I'm like, how tall? How tall are you?
6'8".
6'8". Dang. Yeah, you got like a whole foot on me.
So I've been having back issues.
Okay.
I've had knee issues the past 2 years now, too, also.
Okay.
I sprained my 2 ankles last year.
Okay.
You know, freak accident.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, I get past it, like, you know, with like physical therapy and stuff like that, but I still think that I needed to come see a chiropractor.
Yeah.
You know.
Dang. No. Yeah. You know, where it tells me the most is with having the sprained ankles. What tells me is your hips are probably off, creating one leg a little bit shorter, one a little bit longer. So it throws off your gait, and then obviously for you that you're doing a lot of stop and go, turning.
I jump a lot and do stuff. So
Yeah.
I told myself I went to go see a chiropractor, it'd be you. I was in LA to work out with NBA players and trainers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'll be doing that next week, but I was like, since I'm in Orlando, I'll just stop by, you know.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Awesome. How's movements for you?
Sometimes it's really stiff. When I get out of bed, it's really stiff, and sometimes during the day, it'll be stiff. And if I sit down for a long time and I try to like get up, it's stiff. Really stiff. Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's get you some relief. Let me have you go face down on the table.
Maybe you could take your chin. It's over.
Maybe. Should I?
No. You're good. You're good.
I had an injury back in 2014.
Mm-hmm.
Same issue.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. There we go. So I'm gonna rotate you. There we go. Heck yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I'm going light right now. Just wait until I really get in. There we go.
Ooh.
Good. Perfect. Flip onto your back. Felt that one in the ankle? Good. And again. You ever have that done?
Never.
All right, she said what, 6'8"?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's go to 6'10".
Say no more.
That's what I keep.
Boy, it ain't no. Why you don't think my body could do that?
What did you feel?
From my neck straight down to my middle back. Wow, everything.
Yeah, rest. Big movement, huh? Shit.
That was horrible. That was crazy. Yo, that's crazy. You the truth, bro. For real.
Come on up. All right, come on down. We're going for round 2.
Yes, sir. I knew it was on round 2.
Go down just a little bit.
It's something you can't explain, honestly.
Right.
Boy, I didn't think it was nothing different there.
What did you feel?
My neck got, I guess, more.
What?
I don't know how to explain it. My neck just sounded like a bubble wrap.
Right?
Wow, that's amazing. You feel a little stunned for a little second.
Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, that's why you always say, I say, rest, catch your breath. Yeah, getting all that pressure taken off the nerves.
Yeah, you the truth, bro.
Thank you.
Wow. My God.
There we go.
Okay, that was that. Yeah, that was it. I was going to ask you. I was like, yeah, you think you could? You know what you're doing?
That was perfect. That was perfect. My God.
Heck
That was
yeah.
perfect.
Oh.
How you feeling? Yeah, stand up. I can bring this thing back quite a bit.
Someone getting done coming today.
About right there. We're close. Close, you know.
Appreciate you, my God. Appreciate you. Thank you.
You are welcome. Heck yeah.
Any type of pain, I got it coming back, you know?
I got you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.